Ulena Chiawa uyingxenye yabashayeli bamatekisi nabagibeli abakhethe ukugoma namhlanje erenki yamatekisi yase Kapa.
I think they somehow put like stations in all the areas so that it will be easier for people like what they did today for us taxi drivers, because it didn't take a lot of time. So I just come here for the rank to come to take a load, but you see it was here, so I just come and then I do it now. And it's simple.
Uhulumeni Lesifundazwe uthi ukugoma kumqoka kakhulu emizamweni yokuvuselela umnotho.
The industry has suffered greatly. So we're here to say, let's work together, get everyone vaccinated, get as much people vaccinated so that we can open the economy, that we can get jobs back on track.
Lesifundazwe sifuna ukugoma izakhamuzi ezibalelwa eyigidini ey'nhlanu ngaphambi kokuphela kukaLwezi.
With the males, we also encourage them to be vaccinated. Here and now at the taxi rank is the it's an economy active population who are coming to and from work. We were saying to them, whilst you are still waiting, you can go across the road at the City of Cape Town offices where you can be vaccinated, because we brought the vaccines here.
Imboni yamatekisi ilithokozele lolu hlelo.
We've lost a significant amount of money. And also we've lost a lot of taxi operators and drivers during the COVID period.
It is a great concern because we travel with a lot of people and you pick up this disease because you can't see it.
I feel safe because everyone who has vaccinated, having had someone who has vaccinated that says they had been infected after the vaccine.
Njengamanje iWestern Cape inabantu abangaphezu kwe-1,019 abahaqwe yi-COVID-19.